morning, all of you. Today we will see the lesson number 1, learn to use Windows 10 from book number 2. So we will see the basic information about this first. Already in the previous topic we have seen what is meant by operating system. So regarding this we will see the introduction. The operating system is a program that runs all the time on a computer. Means on computer, after completion of one program it will continuously work, and in this the operating system, it is an interface between user and machine. User means human being and machine means computer system. So here the operating system, it is an interface between user and machine. Now we will see the examples of operating system. So there are the different examples of operating system. First one, it is Windows 98, Windows XP, Windows 7 and Windows 10. So these are the versions. In these versions, Windows 10 is the most recent operating system. Then we will see the examples related to this. Suppose if you are taking the example of car. For a car, if the driver is not there, then it will not move from one place to other place. Same as it is for the computer also, operating system is an essential part. All the human being having the brain, so that we can think and we can do something. Same as it is for the computer also, operating system is an important part. Without operating system, computer cannot work. Then we have to see the features of Windows 10. So first one, it is graphical user interface. So the meaning of this one, it interact with the computer through graphical pictures called as icons. So when you start the computer on the desktop, there are the different icons, and when you click on that, it will open particular application. So it is graphical user interface. This is the first one feature. Then second one, using this we can search file and folders. So for that, when you click on the start button, search box option is given there. So using this we can search a particular file or folder. Then everything is arranged under the difficult tiles. In Windows 10, the applications which are arranged in the tile format, means appearance of Windows 10 is different from as compared to the Windows XP. Then fourth one feature is multitasking. So multitasking means we can perform the many tasks at the same time. So this is the another feature, means at the same time we can perform the paint application also, and we can listen the music also. Then it shows the whatever the activate program, or we can say the running program and non-running program on the taskbar. At the bottom of the screen we will see the taskbar, and there we can see the running and non-running programs. So these are the features of Windows 10. Then next one, we have to see how to turn on Windows 10. Means how to start the Windows 10. So first we have to switch the UPS button. Then you have to click on the CPU button, and after pressing the CPU button, your machine will start the processing. So for processing it takes the time, and after that it will load your operating system. So this processing is also known as loading. So for this it required some time. Then we have to see the next one, it is login screen. So in this login screen, after starting the machine, you will get the display box where we have to write your name and password. or it is also called as username and password. Without password we cannot open the computer system. Next one we have to see, the next concept is desktop. So as soon as the computer start, the first screen appear on the monitor is known as a desktop, and on the desktop there are the different icons. We will see the example of this. There are the different icons like my computer, recycle bin, my document. All these are the examples of icons. And icon means it is a small picture which represent a file or folder. Then next one we have to see the parts of Windows 10 desktop. So in this first one it is desktop icon. So desktop icon means what? Whatever we will see on the screen. So these are the, here when you minimize the button on the desktop you will get the icons. So these are called as icons. After this, next one is taskbar. So at the bottom of the screen here you will see the taskbar, and it is a horizontal bar. On this you will get the different options like clock and time also. Then next one is search box. So using this search box we can search a specific file or folder also. So using this we can search a file or folder. The next one we have to see, the next option is start menu. So from where we can start our applications. Whichever applications you want, using the start menu we can open it. Then next it is notification area. So notification area is placed at the right hand side corner of the taskbar, and it is at the bottom. So you will see here the timing and date also, as well as if antivirus is installed it will show to the right hand side. Then next one, pinned application. Here if the Windows 10 appearance is there on the taskbar, at the center you will get the pin application. So in this pin application, whichever frequently applications we are using, like if you are taking Notepad, WordPad or MS Word, so all these applications which are coming in the pin application. So these things we have seen in the parts of the Windows 10. Thank you.